Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to Scrapyard. Um, I got my new shop cards printed up again today. Uh, Everybody seemed to like it when I posted about it on the Facebook post. Um, I got these. If I want one of these, man, just send me an email. The email address right there, redskillscrapyard@gmail.com. But not haven't gotten very much done, but I got a little bit. I got my been sorting parts mainly, but I got my new shelving in. Well, let's see. Oh, that's the only thing about using the kind of camera I'm using. It's webcam, but yeah, I think this is going to do all right. And it helped a lot. Man, the little blue shelf I had before just didn't cut it. Um, been working on the Rambler '69 competition coupe. Is what I've been working on. Uh, I've got I've got the engine back in it. The It's still just kind of mocked up and pop the wheels off so they don't be flying off. I've got the engine back in it and it's ready to put the belt on. Come on, focus. A little more light, maybe. Better. I'm gonna get the lighting in here figured out. Maybe I can do something. But yeah, that's the seat out of the. I haven't got it moved in yet. That's the seat out of the. Uh, yeah, the Challenger One reveal kit. This thing is basically all parts packed and scratch built, man. You know, it's got the frame scratch built. The All the tin work is brass sheet. Um, the rear end and the axle and rear ends, familiar to anybody's built the double dragster kit. I got 3D printed brake drums for it, and the 3D printed Auburn, Auburn, Arden. I'm sorry, Arden flathead. I got it ready to put the belt back on it, and I've got my scratch built fuel pump ready to put some lines in it. I'm trying to decide which fuel tank to put in it. I really like this little. Let's stand here a little lower. But where did it go, huh? All right. There we go. Yeah. I kind of favor this one. You know, it's small, but it doesn't quite fit. I've got this one here, which is I don't know, it's a bigger tank. I just don't think it's a full 5 gallons there, but this is supposed to be, I was shooting for a 3 gallon tank for that one. But, or I might um, go with these mounts here. So I can take these mounts here and use them. And you can't really see it because it's just barely textured. This is the kind that's supposed to have the spring mount. I cut them off and like wrap me a little spring with some fine wire, and that'll look pretty good. But I know this has been a long-term project. I should have been finished with it a year ago. But It's coming along. I think the brake drums is going to look good on it, though. Yeah, it gives a pretty good angle there. And don't forget the body. This is a competition coupe as well as a dragster class. And yeah, it's coming along. I should be done with it. I don't know, sometime. The way I work on things, man, I jump from one thing to the other so much. Anyway, I've been messing with that. Got a mail call in. Got another one of these cow drag combos. I got a really good price. I was going to leave it on it. I was going to leave it sealed in the box, but somehow or another, the post office manager smashed my box, man. So it smashed on one end, and I put it in the box I've been keeping on the shelf as a display box. But it's all there. I don't know how many of these things I need. I mean, that's the second one of those. But you never have enough trailers, right? Plus, that Falcon Ultra wheelbase is kind of neat. And that's two of those I got. But yeah, this is basically more parts pack stuff. Oh, and I found these boxes, man. Talking about organizing stuff. I found these boxes at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go back and get some more of these. These were a deal. I said it didn't come with that red one. That red one's one I already had. Just by coincidence, fit. But yeah, it's four of these boxes. You know, I mean, I can get a better camera angle on everything. If I'm gonna talk, might as well look at it. Right? All right, all right. So I found these boxes. They come in a 4-pack, and they're all laid out differently on the inside. This one's 5 across with one down here. This one is 5 across this way. Uh, this one's yeah, 10 smaller ones, 5 and 5. But they're just right side. Yeah, this one's one big solid thing. But they stack neat. It's just the thing. But the price on it was what got me. Man, it was a 4-pack for only $4.50, and that's what the sticker price on it. But there wasn't a discount or anything. So I'm gonna go back and get some more of these because that's just right, man. I was impressed for the price anyway. Um, let's see what else I got. I don't know. That's about it. Let me comment if you would. Please comment down there which one of these moon tanks you think I should use. But I should use the larger one. It's gonna be mounted in there this way, or the smaller one. I really like to look at the smaller one, but the larger one actually fits a little better. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks too big or out of proportion? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, send a smoke signal. Um, And like I said, you want one of these new shop cards, man, just hit me up, man. I'll send one out. Um, everybody have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.